Assuming I want to save this my typed message on playbookz so that I can play it later. Any day, any time I want to play the message again, I can just easily access it and play. Or so that my friends online can access it and play, I'll have to save it online. So in order to save it, the simplest thing to do is to click the save button here. I click the save button here to save it. And two options will be displayed for me. Create a file name for your message, and the second one says select a file name for your message. Now I want to create a file name for my message because I don't have any existing file name yet. So I click the first option, create a file name, and this text field will be displayed for me. Enter file name at the top here. Enter file name. So I will now have to type my chosen file name for my message, and I've chosen concept of democracy as a file name in which I will save this message. So I'll now type concept of democracy. This is my chosen file name for the definition of democracy. So I'll now have to save this file name first by clicking post. I click post and wait, and it shows posted successfully. Now a file name has been created for this message. So the next step is to save the message. And I will now save it by clicking save again. I click save. It's now saving. Yep. The definition has been saved successfully. Now let me refresh the game again by clicking this cancel button. Refreshed. Now if I want to access the message I just saved, all what I just need to do is to click the post button. I click this post button here, and two options are now displayed: my personal messages and my followers' messages. I'll have to now click my personal messages because I want to access the message I saved by myself, my personal messages. So I click my personal messages, and my file name will now be displayed for me, concept of democracy. Now to access the message I saved in that concept of democracy, I'll now click the file name. I click on the file name, and the message I saved will be displayed for me. The definition of democracy, which says democracy can be defined as a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. So this was a message I saved earlier. Now, if I want to play this message, all what I just need to do is to click it. I click the message, and the message will be instantly converted into a game. Now I click it. It's been converted into a game already, instantly. So if I want to play it, I'll just click the play button down here, and the levels options will be displayed. I'll now select any of the levels I want to play. Let me say I select hard. I click hard, and the game starts. Democracy can't be defined as a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. So now let me pause. So this is how to save a message on playbookz and access the message also.